Another error that can occur is a change in the robot configuration. This is indicated by a short shrill sound. This results in the number value here changing. And that under the notifications, this warning appears that the robot configuration has changed. This is because there are different ways to position the robot for each tool position. There are different axes that can be approached. So for each position, there are different axis rotations that are possible. This is noticeable in the program by the following error appearing. Namely, that the axis values of the real and the simulated values do not match. To circumvent this, one can again simply insert a different axis movement. This, however, leads again to a deviation of the robot path. Another option is to change the robot configuration. As already shown, there is a value here below. This stands for a specific code from the robot manufacturer to specify this axis value. This can be changed with the button switch robot configuration. Using the touch-up, the current position can be overwritten with the corresponding configuration, and only the usual problems with the joint motion, with the type of movement, occur.